Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Jaguar XE. From any screen here, we can go to telephone, no phone connected, connect to device now, yes. Then we need to go to settings, onto Bluetooth there, make sure it's switched on. Then we're watching out at the bottom. Search for Bluetooth devices. Jaguar XE searching, it's found my phone already, so click on there. Pairing Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Does this passkey match 645417? Yes, it does, so click there, click there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Barry's iPhone's been connected and paired. That's it. Probably it'll be at the top or somewhere around about the top. Jaguar XE connected. So that's fantastic.